Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Last time on the channel, we went on a night cruise, put on our tags and plates, and on the way home we were having some lifter tap problems or some kind of ticking, ping, knocking noise. I don't know. But today we're back in my driveway and we're gonna pop these valve covers off and see if we can't maybe tighten some rockers or something and fix this issue. Full disclosure, I have absolutely no clue what I'm doing here, so let's get started. Alright, so we've popped the valve covers off, and this is what our small block Chevy looks like underneath. Dropped a ton of dirt and grease down in the head, but we'll just pretend that we didn't see that. And let's check out how loose these rockers are. Seems pretty normal. That's off. It's not too bad, really. That looks pretty good on that side. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's the old tired engine here. I don't know if this is too much or too little. Not really sure. Thing looks good. Doesn't look like I've dropped any valves or anything like that. I don't see lots of metal or anything like that that might suggest a bearing is loose or rod is broken or something like that. But I've been going through here. I've been spinning these around, checking to see, you know, how good they are. That one feels like it's got a slight bend in it. That one don't seem too bad. But then we get back to this one. I don't know if you can see this. Try to get in there. Can you see the wobble in this one? This one's spinning pretty smooth, but look at this one back here. You see that wobble in there? I think this one's bent pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and pull that one out and check and see exactly how bad it is and try to replace it and see if that fixes our issue. Okay, so that's 8 half turns. Should be able to move this to the side and pull this rod right out. It's definitely a little bit bent. I don't know if you can see that in the wobble there. Okay, so I'm inside, so we can put this on a flat surface and you can see I'd say we got a bent push rod. I don't know how to replace this or what size to replace it with, but I'll go do my research, run to the parts store, and we'll drop one in. All right, so we're back from O'Reilly's. We got some new push rods here. Close enough. So now all we got to do is take this and I guess drop it in that hole there. Okay, so we did 8 half turns to get it there. I think we're on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see how it feels. It's very close. I think that's it right there. It's really close. I don't want to go too far and bend this thing again. Alright, that should be about it. Easy peasy. Let's throw these new gaskets on there and see if we can't start it up and see if that fixed our problem. Okay, now that we got it all buttoned up, let's try to crank on it and see if we can't poke some holes in the tops of pistons or something like that. Sounds really good so far. Oh, good. Okay. Pressures. They're pretty healthy there. Exhaust sounds pretty. Sounds like it's hitting on all those banks over there. I think that's a success. Sounds pretty good. I think that's going to wrap up this video. Thanks for tuning in and joining us on our budget pushrod replacement. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment below. Tell me what you think about it, and we'll see you next time.